Make A the subject of the formula given that x squared equals a squared minus a squared w squared, and find the value of A to 2 decimal places when x equals 10 and w equals half. Now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to factorize the right hand side, okay? So this is x squared equals, we have a squared here, we have a squared here, so I'm going to bring a squared out. So you open your bracket, this divided by this, you have 1 left, minus this divided by a squared, you have w squared left, okay? So at this point, you're going to divide both sides by 1 minus w squared. Divide here also by 1 minus w squared. So this will cancel out this, alright? So it's going to be x squared over 1 minus w squared equals what? A squared. We can write this equation as this: a squared equals what? S squared over 1 minus w squared. So at this point, we can what? Take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of here, like this. So this and the square will cancel out. So therefore, a equals what? The square root of x squared over 1 minus w squared. And this is the answer for question A. So in the question, the part 2 says find the value of A when x equals 10 and w equals half. Okay, so this formula is going to what? Guide us. So you come here, you write A equals what? The square root. Whenever you see x squared, you're going to write 10. So that will be 10 square over 1 minus w squared. You're going to put what? 1 over 2 inside. That's 1 over 2 all squared. Okay, so this becomes the square root of 10 squared is 100 over 1 minus 1 over 2 is 0.5 all what? Squared. So this will be equals the square root of 100 over 1 minus 0.5 all squared will give you 0.25. So this will give you what? The square root of 100 over 1 minus 0.25 will give you 0.75. Now 100 divided by 0.75, so it becomes the square root of 133.3. The square root of 133 will give you 11.547. So we can say that A is approximately 11.55. And this right here is the answer to question B.